Alright, so we got the tensioner, or not tensioner, the pulley out. And now we're going to go ahead and crack the bolts. The alternator at the back. There's one at the bottom, one at the top. Switch. You need a little bit of leverage, so I just got a pipe. That way you can just crack it loose. This one, I like to crack it with my little breaker bar, whatever you want to call it. And then I like to do it by hand unthreading it afterwards, just because I don't want to risk dropping any of the bolts and then waste more time trying to fish them out. As it is, you can't even see in there here, so an extension. Alright guys, well, see you guys in a second. Alright guys, so I got the bolts out. The one at the bottom is going to be a short bolt. The one on the top is a longer bolt, so keep that in mind when reinstalling. Alright, we're almost there guys. So now I need two more bolts. One bolt I cannot see, which is behind here, connected underneath the manifold. And then another one is right here. Let me see if I can get that one, but yeah, this is where I had trouble at the junkyard, but luckily I practiced there first before doing it here, so hopefully it'll make it easier. Whew, here we go, let's get it. Alright guys, so we did it. It was a win. Here it is, the alternator's out. So a couple of things we need to do is we need to swap over this bracket, and then there's a little thing here that I gotta take out. Other than that, little things here and there, and we're just gonna put it back in. The space that I took it out of was right there. So literally I had to like finagle move stuff. Bro, it's like fucking delivering a baby, bro. This thing's heavy as fuck. But we got it. So now put in a new one, put it back up, we're good to go. See you guys when it's all said and done. This job probably took me like about an hour. I'd say 4 out of 10 difficulty. You just gotta stay calm, focus, breathe, and then I'd say get the Husky 160 set tool piece. That's everything you guys need. So see you guys when it's all buttoned up. Alright guys, so battery terminal is in. I'm just making sure that all the plugs are good to go. There was a plug there. There was a plug down there that's already connected. There's a bolt that goes there. Just double checking. Alright, the rest is just plastic stuff, so wish me luck guys. Hopefully she doesn't fucking take a shit on me. Hopefully she starts if she's not dead. Please, 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 please. Damn, I think the battery's dead, guys. Shit. Alright guys, so it's on, but now we have a check engine and the fucking other light's on, so let me figure out what this bullshit is and I'll get back to you. Alright, peace. Alright guys, so it's the day after. I took my Lexus to the AutoZone to get it scanned, and it came back with a long laundry list of things that were wrong with it. But the battery is fine. So it was the alternator. The battery's back to normal charge. I just gotta drive it more so that way the power it can run effectively throughout the entire car. But yeah, all the lights are gone. Starts right up. I still gotta do my oil change, so don't judge me. So yeah, see, no more check engine light. That's a brake light. That's an oil maintenance light. That's music for another time. That light's on just because of the headlight. It needs to change so that way both of them work. But other than that, the other lights are gone. No VSC light, no engine light, no whatever light was over here. She's good to go. Yeah. So it was a mission success. As I said, I give it a 4 out of 5 difficulty, maybe even a 5, just because doing it by yourself is like can be a little bit difficult, especially holding the tensioner, whatever, to put back on the belt. But definitely worth doing. I ended up saving myself like, I don't know. Let's see, the thing was like 300, like $300 for the part, maybe 250 I think. But labor alone would have brought it up to like 1,100. So save some time. About an hour, no, probably like an hour 30 to 2 hours and 30 maximum. But yeah, just take your time, and yeah, definitely worth it. So she's good to go. Next, we gotta go get a freaking trunk for this thing because it's still it still has no trunk. So, but that'll be the next video of me getting a trunk, putting that back on, and then yeah, we'll continue back with the good stuff. Right now, it's just a little bit of a hiccup, but we're crushing it. We're good. All right, guys. Well, thank you for hanging out with me. If you guys made it this far in the video, feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.